Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. So for today's video, I am super excited to share with you guys a vanity that I built. But of course, this isn't my creation. I don't know whose it is, but I'll definitely post the video that I got inspired of.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided?
So the video had some audio, which I can't play because of copyright, but I like substituted it with like some other music. But yeah, I saw that video and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get everything that is on there, like everything. And I did, because let's just say that my makeup collection has grown a lot, and the vanity that I was using was from IKEA, and it was actually a hand-me-down from, it's gonna be complicated, but it was a hand-me-down from one of my boyfriend's friends. He had it first and he gave it to my boyfriend. He used it as a gaming, and we also used it as like a TV stand when we were living in our first apartment. And then he got his own desk for his games and stuff, and then we got a TV stand for the TV. And then of course I had my vanity. It's a really old desk, but obviously I did the job until I started buying lots of makeup. And so I needed something that had a lot of storage. I really wanted to put my makeup put up and not having showed up, because, and you guys will see later, but what I'm talking about. Also, I am in school. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm in school. I go to UT Austin, and you know, being a full-time student and having your desk as your makeup area and also as like your, you know, school desk to do essays and stuff, it was very distracting for me. So of course I'm really happy that I finally separated my vanity from like my desk where I do homework. But enough being said, let's go. And I'm gonna give you guys like a little tour and everything and how it's going. I've had it for like about 2 days already. It hasn't been a lot, but so far I really liked it. I did my makeup on there. I did this makeup look on there, and of course I want to show you guys, you know, how everything's been working for me. Of course, this is budget friendly, so obviously you get what you pay for, and you guys see why. But enough talking. I'll show you my vanity. All right, so I'm actually recording on my phone right now just because I have a camera, like a what is it called? DSLR. I have like a big chunky camera, and I really did not want to hold it. So I'm here on my phone. And of course, this is a overlay of my vanity, and I'll of course go into detail of it. But yeah, this is just how it looks like when you come into my room. But I'm gonna briefly go through like how each part goes and stuff. So these 2 drawers obviously come separate. That one right there, and that one also comes separate, and of course the tabletop. There's 5 pieces, and these drawers right here were $59.99. Now supposedly I got them on sale or something, but usually I always see these on sale. But let me show you guys what I meant by you get what you pay for. So when opening these drawers, I'm gonna open this one. Sometimes it's like really hard to close them. Okay, that was easy. Sometimes, there we go. Okay, sometimes when you open them, they do get stuck like that, and I'm like, oh, so you really have to like kind of adjust it to push it in the middle. That's one thing I don't like about them, but at the same time, they do the job, and I really do not care about that. But of course, I really wanted what the girl showed in the video, just because I really want to do some cute decor here, like maybe put like little succulents, little plants on here, maybe have some palettes laid out, like maybe palettes that haven't shown enough love, or makeup and stuff. That's what I want to do. This is what I had in the other desk. I don't think I have a picture of it, sadly, but I had this stuff out here, and I had, so right there, those are 2 bins, of course, with makeup, and I actually had 2 stacked up just like that. And I hated the way that it looked, and not gonna lie to you guys, I hate the way this looks as well. I really want to change it because it's so crowded. The mirror, of course, as you can notice, it actually is from Impressions Vanity. And oh my gosh, ignore the mess. That is embarrassing. But yeah, I kind of cleared up. I had like some, I'm just gonna show you guys, who cares? I mean, this is my life. But I have some mess right there. I had it on my desk and I wanted to clear it out, but I guess it's still gonna be in the video. Anyways, of course, this is from Impressions Vanity here, and I got this at Marshall. It's a really nice mirror. It has little 3 touchscreen things here to turn on this is to turn and off the power here. Then you have settings to make it like cool, warm, cool, I guess, and then warm setting here. I love it. The only issue is, of course, I thought it was I bought it because it was like, oh, you can adjust the brightness on here. Well, it doesn't work. These bins were $15, these 2 right here. And then the tabletop was about $39.99. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you guys. Mia would like to show you, right, mamas? Oh, mamas. Hi. Oh, yummy. I'm trying to record. You guys can tell the wheels right there. It has wheels, so that's gonna be so convenient for when I move. If I ever move, if we ever decide to move out of this apartment, we have that. Of course, if you guys have live in apartments or, you know, someplace that's not permanent, I really do suggest this. Another thing I wanted to mention is that this is not wobbly at all. So none of this, I actually did see some TikToks of people gluing some of this down, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't recommend doing that. I don't think that's a good idea, just because if you were to ever move out, I think it's gonna be so hard because it's actually a really long table. I'll probably put dimensions on how many feet and stuff it is. But it's really long, so I really don't recommend gluing it down. When we were placing this bin on top of it, it was actually really easy to put on. It almost felt like it like fit there, like, you know, whenever you make a puzzle and it like fits together really nice. Well, that's how it went. Same thing for the tabletop. It's not wobbly. Like, I feel like it doesn't move or slide or anything. It's really nice. When I'm here doing my makeup, it's really comfortable. You have a lot of space to work with. Obviously, I have a lot of stuff, but yeah, as far as assembling everything, I am not gonna lie to you guys and say that I did it on my own, because I did not. Everything that you guys are seeing was built by my boyfriend. I will say that the hardest thing he said was to make was these bins right here, because they come in so many pieces. But he did say that these little squared things were easy to make. And the tabletop, you guys, the tabletop is like the easiest thing. All you gotta do is just take out, it's like it comes in a super long box. You take it out and you just place it there. No need to assemble the tabletop, which is really nice, but I will say that it is heavy. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Everything that I have on my face, if you're curious, I will link it down below. I will link down all the products that I have in case I forgot something. And if you have any questions or I missed something, because I forget a lot, let me know down below. Ask me a question. I will happily answer them for you. That is it for this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you love beauty content and stuff, because that's what I love to make. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.